guys, so we're gonna try and do this real quick. My stepdad is on his way to pick us up for church, so we gotta hurry. That felt good. Like, I always love that cold feeling on my... I just clean my brushes so they're a little mingly. Love that cold feeling on my eyes first thing in the morning. Going into Access, just starting this crease because we're gonna build it up. I'm going back between Agent and Access, building that up. I'm gonna go in with a smaller blending brush. Building it up. I'm going into Smooth Criminal just to get that color I want. Going into Prowl now, just to deepen it up just a little further. And I'm going to get my trusty and this guy. I'm going to cut the crease. But I want to keep it really light just because we are going to church and I don't want to be that one person with a crazy eye look and everybody else staring at me. Not at church anyway. I'm gonna go into Guilt Trip. I'm just packing Guilt Trip all over my lid. This liner gives me so much anxiety, but the other eyeliner's drying out and is having a hard time going over shimmer. So I'm just gonna stop there. I'm gonna move on to my face makeup real quick. Okay. I got this new yesterday. I already opened it because I touched it to see if it felt like the the Tatcha Dewy Skin, I don't know what it's called. And I tested it, I felt the other one in store at Sephora. So I know how it feels, even though I've never used it, and they do feel the same. It's like a weird putty feeling. I imagined it feeling more like a lotion, but it definitely has more of a putty feel to it, so it's kind of cool. It makes my skin feel like I just put lotion on, so that's pretty neat. See me putting it like down here? I have big pores, and that's like one of the worst places I get acne, besides like right here. Especially around that certain time of the month. I find myself covered in acne, at least for me, like, you know, unusual amount, or I guess usual for my period, but not typical for a regular day for me. Gotta get that double chin covered up, make it match, because you know, you don't want to be laughing and somebody clock you. I got this. I don't know if it's new, but I've never seen it before. I did not open this. I don't know if it's gonna be thick. We'll see. Or if it's gonna oxidize the way the foundation does, but we'll see. It really matches my skin, but We'll see how well it does. Blends out very easy. I don't know, what do you guys think? It's kind of liquidy, I think. Long wear concealer. So we'll see. I'm gonna add a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape just for that extra bit of coverage. We all know I don't usually put this much concealer on, but just to be safe. Okay, now I'm going to do my eyebrows real quick. Ooh, that concealer picked up. When I touched my face, I was trying to see if my under eyes had creased and the concealer picked up. Like a lot. Like I had a whole fingerprint missing on my face. Yes, the Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and now my favorite Tarte blush in Party. I don't know why, I love it so much. We'll go in with Pixie by Petra. Under eye or waterline. I'm probably picking up, yeah, it is still wet, you guys. That is so weird. I can already tell it's not creasing and it looks really pretty. But the second one of my kids goes to touch me, it's gonna be gone. Well, I'm just taking the dirty brush from before. I'm gonna take a little bit of the other dirty brush and place that right below the other one. I need my black liner for the top. Oh, don't ever buy that liquid essence liner. Like, it is the worst. I literally waited for it to dry down, and when I sprayed my face, it still transferred. So just gonna today is the day of Jesus. Just aggravating that I can't even trust my liner. Okay, now my lips. Lips. I don't think this is a lip liner. Just because I don't want to fool with that liner. Again, that is the completed look. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.